Hi, I'm Brian Ostrowski, back again talking about marketing 3-4-5 in the real world, and here with Stephanie at Happy Paws in Folsom, and we're going to learn a little bit about her business and the dogs you hear running around in the background. So tell me a little bit about how long you've been in business, why you started it, and what people can expect here.
Okay, well, we've been in business just about a year, a little over a year. We opened in August last year.
Exciting.
Yeah, we are doing a personal touch on dog boarding, dog walking, dog sitting, and in general cat sitting, pet sitting, anything like that. A little bit about what we do here is we customize our boardings to the dogs that we have. So if we have a group of dogs that we know like to go hiking, we take them hiking. They like to go running, we take them for a run. We go out to dinner with them, we hang out with them. They're part of our family.
They get pampered here.
They do, yeah. So for our drop-in services, they're an hour long.
Okay.
And they're actually one of our most popular services. A lot of people like to use them when they're going on day trips. We pop in twice a day. We, can clean out a litter box, feed, fresh water, take dogs for a walk, but it's not just a walk for an hour. We can hang out with them, feed them breakfast, feed them dinner, anything kind of like that. Give them some treats, and if they're not really into walking, we give them a short walk, and then we hang out and we play whatever it is that they like to do.
What we're going to do is we're going to go create a blog post.
Okay.
We're going to talk about a couple of these pups. We're going to try to sprinkle in some things that people may not immediately be aware of, so as they're getting to know you, they can discover that, and then we'll come back and we'll talk about it.
Okay, sounds great.
Okay, so we just went in, we sent a few customer review requests, and we did a blog post about a couple of your pups here that are staying with you.
Yep.
So what did you think of that process?
It was very efficient. When you and I first started creating this website together, you said you're gonna need to make a blog, and I'm like, a blog? Like, that seems so intimidating. And I literally did not do one because it was very, very intimidating for me, but this streamlined the process and made it to something that for me is a lot less intimidating, a lot less daunting of a task, and I would actually do this on a weekly basis.
That makes me happy to hear, having it be regular, repeatable. So the process was pretty simple, right?
Yes.
I asked you a few questions.
Yes.
You gave me the answers. We wrote them down, added a couple pictures.
Yes.
So blogging should be fast, it should be easy, it shouldn't be scary, and hopefully it becomes a part of your practice.
It's gonna have to be, yes. Thank you.
Thank you for your time today.
Yay.